Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. If we're looking across the markets right now, you guys can see we are seeing a lot of green across the board, but this is just not an ordinary green. We're seeing altcoins finally starting to pop out. If you guys are noticing right now, majority of the altcoins across the board over the last 24 hours are up. So what exactly is happening, and especially for Vechain, what are some next price targets we could be looking at? So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.0244 cents, up 5.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So right away, you can see that Vechain is following the overall momentum of the markets right now, and we are up 5.4%, which is definitely a nice thing to point out. And the market cap is approaching that $1.8 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $85 million. But we are here for the price analysis, what's happening with the price of Vechain and where we could be potentially going in the immediate short term. Before I begin, you guys know the disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, you guys can see something very interesting is happening. We are retesting some prices from March 15th, and you guys can see that is a major level of resistance. We still have quite a bit of resistance coming up on our end, but I personally believe if we are able to break out of that 0.025 cents mark, there is a strong chance that Vechain does start breaking more towards the upside, because look what's happening. Something very interesting is happening right now. We are seeing Bitcoin starting to consolidate within this range, which I was talking about. You know, if we see a little bit of a consolidation sideways momentum, we will see the BTC dominance index starting to drop. Basically what that means is money is going to start flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. And if we go look at the BTC dominance index right now, you can see that exactly is happening right now. We are seeing BTC dominance pull down and altcoins are starting to move up. So could we see this month of April be a month for altcoins where altcoins kind of start exploding and see newer highs, which definitely could be a possibility if BTC does continue this sideways momentum. You guys can see a massive battle between the bears and the bulls. But as of now, you know, in my personal opinion, everyone has their own opinion, but I do believe that Bitcoin is winning this fight because we are staying within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and potentially could even break out towards the upside. But with that said, if Bitcoin were to break out of this range, guys, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to start increasing once again. So that's one thing I do want you guys to keep in mind, but that doesn't matter. Altcoins are still going to go up in USD comparative. We might lag behind Bitcoin comparative, but right now Vechain is retesting these ranges, guys. I am expecting a breakout if we do clear that 2.5 cents mark, which we are very close to do so. If I bring out the measuring tool, Vechain is still about 3.49% away from us, retesting that zone. So, a lot of resistance, as I've mentioned, but, if we clear that, I wouldn't be surprised if Vechain starts retesting new yearly highs, which were around 3.2 cents. And most importantly, hopefully this time around, we do see it break out of this massive level of resistance, which is at that 3.4 cents mark, because that is where, this consolidation phase does come to an end. And I do believe a breakout is going to happen more towards the upside, especially the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And now, the haters, haters, they're going to come and comment that Vechain is dead. But, you guys can go and have these haters look at the charts themselves. If you are going to make a statement that Vechain is not moving at all, go look across the board. Vechain is following the overall market momentum right now, up 5.3%, which is a massive positive thing. So, don't let these haters get to you. These haters are the ones that, missed out on cheaper Vechain when it was at the beginning of the year. And you guys know my stance on Vechain. I really do believe it is going to be one of the top performers this bull cycle. This reminds me of the early beginnings back even in 2020 when there was a lot of FUD. We were still in a bear market, in my personal opinion, late 2019. A lot of FUDders everywhere, but that's gonna decrease as time goes by. I really do believe, guys, that the breakout is closer than ever. Just buckle up. If you have your bags already ready to go, you guys know patience is your #1 key to follow, but always lock in profits on your way up. But right now, our target is obviously for us to retest this zone. If we break out of here, this would mean that, you know, we're breaking out here for the first time ever since May 11th. So hopefully we can break out of this massive level of resistance before, you know, May 11th of this year, because that would mean we have gone up before a year mark of consolidation. But we will see what happens. Like I said, major resistance coming up, but things are about to get exciting in my personal opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. Thank you so much for all the support, each and every one of you guys in my Vechain community. You guys are so powerful. You guys show so much support. I love you all. Continue supporting. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.